falling in my eye. Mojana na na num shegu na de tu ho my eye. Edu mene was so say it be piatwa so nindian twa so kutu kraninya pesa men kuminga edi yen bremu da mama ya sase hodo at say oh my no oh my no yes and I hose on my full private jet oh my no
we go. Okay, this is my motherland, Lady Ghana tiny. Anything I go talk, we make a tiny. Bo, Boniya hey, Boni Dane fe hey. Many me fende he kati, many won't pay. Male bahi can you fende baja min kabo. When you look on India la wa me kabo. I promise on my own I'm both tire near me shona. Ling off me na sana, Libo na no shona.
Yamwaena, Jumanchi Afiko mai, Kowan Kabila Capito. Zahida kai banda bambanci mu daina zalunci ubangijin Allah wai ma zumunci ya fi komai annan Muhammad wai ma zumunci ya fi komai iyayenmu wai ma zumunci ya fi komai
See, this is not a peace song, it's a love song. Peace and Ghana getting married, keep the love strong. See, a peace we cannot risk. War at home is like cardiac arrest, cause home is where the heart is. Let the trumpet sound victory. The battle that we won is a battle for a peace. We promise on an honor that we'll never fight again, cause Ghana is a happy place, a joy we should defend.
Get up, what's up, motherland? I don't feel like Obidi and Afia. I'm in love with you now. Tamajiba Majihada Mabiatao Wasanya will a doji love for from Gakachale. How? From the big six, you still to fix things. Mawa Hamakafu was Chicago reaches.
If you don't want make it be, nobody for fight, we they need one a piece. Hey, income boom. Hey, is it with it be we to protect the nation, Mother God and anyone I save it. Oh yeah.
About the peace, hey, about our summer day, about the PP, hey, I want to know. Now, summer day, walk, hey, bar. Mafuma Wabo Susa, walk as some chon one six, and many bay you some killing you if you are. Which as if you won't pay for Amazon who are when you be a cocoto. A lady be okay, palace, a lady more care, ballet, a lepizuko care, ballet. I'm out with you all in him. It's all about a peace. Hey, Baloba.
Phones in a doom, stores ya to doom. Police say you foom, a real say soon. Topa ye papa, the penny in a high. Mwashakuma muma, Memina Danima. Wafa don't know what you see room. Musimujania true, say what to gem, BBC.
Ghana is no more.
Picture free me, Dayum Nametium, no war.
So that the peacemakers, for they shall be called the sons and daughters of God. Hey, we pray for love, we pray for peace, we pray for unity always. To make our nation better.
Abusia mama wachina mo akwaba Virgin Television so na no pay so na ochi mu nyina na e abato ho adwuma na e bisi na ikra no e press conferences over press conferences le kase pai NDC ni NPP emienu na yakwa koto aba na aba yewie so far ka constituencies bia omanfo bia contest a yisi egusu eye review na who nia obetimi awie ni but presidential elections ne dey easy dey can declare I was saying Nana Adodan Kwekufuado one the sign Ghana mampani emfie na ye di enimu yi na ene common dey betwa ahwe Upper West Achim constituency eno ewo epoye mountain baby ahwe yin free bia sa constituency we no make say NDC traditional seats a seat NDC na every ever since they started to about Ghana na just make say 7 consecutive times ni nyina so NPP a contested but I feel the enema asaka crazy na enema na asa no eno ye kodi nkoma beti emu nchiremu esa ne say ntini ye the electoral officer Abdul Majid Nuruddin na feel so Shadrack Baini on the communications team member ewa Upper West Achim edema NPP eti abebo komani ehunni ekofa nkunimdie ni baaye eni sembi aka obeti efi echire ewa agugana so na no payi ye from me pa kwesi dimanche Zalem GH Janka Ronechi afi DJ Wiseman any team no kai nyina eboa yen pa eti mekon makokomo makwaba na in the next one and say ne da bia ye no no yetinya bonkomo e dia fa sai kunudi e ba yi eho ma mekon na Majida kwaba
Mejosuminia
Shadrack kwaba
Mejosuminia
okay Majida me so asfer pa da bia meka ba Shadrack die mi hu se obre eti na mana e di kakra fine but agrefo ye be wi Shadrack no but the whole information better dwa no ahye so bia be share be across the 16 regions no now officially what me this ana no e dey ama no peo me me say adwuma no Majid ma me wisa say inkunimdi e buy no were you expecting it?
Yeah. Not me expecting pa
but you surprise how did it now kasa because we lose 7 consecutive times
at this time me hu say na man for no change and na nipa na ye di ni gina okuna no Honorable Frederick Obiado oyinipa bia meka se waboa no no se obabeji city na Upper West Achim MPP eti ni ye ni suban eni na dwuma nyina na ye always victory and o mafo no so ni mu eti na enye me won
over NPP mu abreben active politics within the constituency
we started active politics meka se 2012
oba mu no party ne say na ye akono
na party no na penfono mu die ni mo bo mu mo den die but na me hu ni say sinton kitinkiti mi wo mu a na ese ye so a
no be chim na Ghana for sinton ko
ebi ni say na senya na ye tagi nkofo bi say say be omo die oyo omo den kra NDC no meto amon especially do registration time a senya ye preventing nkofo bi ugbo udin a ye say udi we party we ni ye pene ma won ko ye registration
okay
the be challenge we ade and minu anu NDC for so me very smart o sha say o person o start process e dey challenge na wa on ni pa ne film o hu be bi odi ne be ko the next point is odi ne be ko the nearby constituency akọ register no register ne bi transfers a no send na ba constituency we be abeto ti a ebi o kra o be challenge ni pa no challenge we ko review a unni evidence because why we challenge no when say prove say asimesi ni Ghana
age and say the nationality
do unni evidence bia na e de card amount definitely ba beto ti a sa nyema ni nyina ye nyema na eye sinto ewa ye party ni sa that time and ye tena se ni hu say MY okay na ipia sa nyema ni nyina mu a ya ka obi bia bo no and o hwe ye results na o hwe parliamentary results na presidential results na e chere say NDC for do na to mine
okay
esa say party na ya kono ye candidate na ye de ne buy nso no ho akono and o hwe skirt and blouse e course a NDC for do no na ye dey to abane ma ya ma ye di ko no Upper West Achim
ma ko Shadrack as a communicator no what did you do different from 2016 and other previous years
or share 2016 elections after 2016 elections compared to this year election. During 2016 election, now Upper West Achim, you need media houses behind the church especially the New Patriotic Party.
Okay.
You know, we break our campaign, we betina yemi anomako ekrebi asino ko twa atro to go back no ebi anaka a day to election or 3 days to election ntumi me rush go back enko church same but this time around no media houses no separate intro from them no kre no ema yan nuanom the various communities ehu near pa away and candidate nimu na no kura ewo senior ye call election no emu yama media houses na boy because during 2016 na yeni media houses bi ante ma senior be cheche yen semu no ekechi pa but this year election media houses no boy ema yen semu ni na eko no cross kwanso.
Okay, my commander Dobi, Nami say, candidate and what in the buying. Not a day, a man order from the other candidate and what do you about?
Okay, make 2016. Honorable Eugene Sakia DC is here. You didn't buy. You didn't buy, you know. Who said no, a fresh teacher near branch here for you didn't boom. Now, who said then, yes, and be and come from Enfrentian. It's a tone, a one for no toy, papa. Honestly, a caca craving KG sitting. And my penny say, or bread, by one home it's ordinary DC. And definitely, Massa, in your position or Bemu, in your position or party, who send the breed. Won't you be nice to crowd you with Yan and Ashu? Who came out of bed, you wouldn't put anybody putting us away in Jiano. Edian who be bought time, who be ye near dear. It is ye as a party, no, ye who say, ye will be who say, ye push ye DC qua a bay or hawk a crammy, because and summer of the cafano, do draw on yellow crack. Then she won't say, what bay opinion, Peter position, the back can some of an end, when you are to be a big cafan who be a bit trying to crack. I thought in American, it's of my yet I do bear one. Senior or ye a branch here, what been for before beer and come from 2. Say or di and more different for a baby, a baby system in campaign in my mind. And you who are doing so say, or you be a to the police resources ID. I might a power that came MPP need to be the city and I'll buy him so honestly when dear Rambo. Yeah, no, yes, expect one who you know will be up to expectation. I'm a ne and couldn't be a power that came there. The case candidate are my big community no more on more day, but Nippon no go back especially over your position there na Asamaba. It's not as I say, we try say we do be a fresh a bedding, a baby one into me, Nancy, Papa, and company, and don't pepper in the sea.
Okay, Shadrach, who is send na MP, our war upper West Achino. Me one for no man for no, and now sell candidates no, and no man for the pen.
The candidates no amount for pen because we share
it's not MP, not so competitive.
Oh,
not on my giving you competitive.
Why not? Why not? But Bible no na David our Bible ni Goliath. Yeah, what they see what Bible David D Goliath sunkuni. Na MP competition am I? So make us MP competition am I? Na me boy because the member of parliament no yen kubment ayen contesting. Na you who say yen candidate a yekita no obrɛ ne ho ase pa ye nti ma mebunu ne apa west akemfo nyina edɔ no because of nisu ne ban a na okita because ohwɛ Frederick Obin Adom Elema osia na obia opehio akola o one no ejina one scale but o compared to other side na menua ebeye den say ebia okadafo ebehia na MP ejina mu ne won shijama ne won tunum ne won didi but so many occasions ye hu ye nua Frederick Obin Adom na enye say opetu minti na oyesa okhwe ne back in the days of free hearter sa na ne personality no eti na sa nyama we nyina Emma Frederick Obin Adom stand tall ahead of MP and Emma nkunundi abeye ne die minina sa na
okay my commander do na misa say one kasa as an electoral officer I know say research no na moye Ruben na hu say mo be win this situation
okay yes sabi kakra along November on
okay
na you say e gusu di nkunu but nkunu die no ehia ahode kakra ehia push kakra
okay
na e dia koye ni my external organizations so ebem my they compare the you cry the na you expect around 58%.
Interesting.
Yes, they expect around
58%.
Yeah, and senior OD can high NDC seat, and if you share the presidential
NDC one.
It's Saneban.
Research amoye any ade no mamu say mo project say mo be wini seat no. Ma me koso nyina ho ana me kase eden they can say flagship promise be na mo de to ma no e ma fo aji wotum. Ana say omo hu adom as candidate or youth na oni omo di agro na no mani je no so obeto man.
Ade ba ko e politics no. Say wo pese uko woni mo politics no about say building relationship.
Okay.
And adomo nka bibia wedu abrabo mu anya mention e bi ikobeka say obe live lavishly bia or jineni or to talk say no but ohun say person give it back to the society upper west akem and through politics no betuma ye nyama bibiri e de aboa e won project ni nyama bibiri ho a akoso constituency ya enye aban sika na say enfi district na say enfi abam efi onu ani botom efi onu ani botom and wo frɛ no adom BBC na onu akasa ni botom na de boa and only the kind of relationship or building with omanfo no and you say improve bia itwa to omanfo ni team and I say ndaga bia de man omanfo no na mo bibia adom pese oye bia no e ya de efi na komo mo pese odi eye bo omanfo na say constituency sisi ya me no ka say ye dwen ho say e be project de after say we win
okay
ye the promises be great to I be di super pepe e bi ni youth apprenticeship say omanfo ni bebre o constituency anu na say youth ni bebre o constituency a omo ni adwuma ye omo so man ko school say for no den na be ye ho e say at least obua e ma omanfo no say for no ye dey omo tumi esu adwuma na omo san so koma no dachi omo so ma ko school no so ye won nap ko ni ada organizations and say institutions won ma e betumi dey born apart from that no upper west came up nipa hin e betumi dey omo say si omo bo say ene your friend is nam aban we so and say nam asimesi so na metumi akọ police and say military and say those security services and so ya dey back wa esi eni so e dey show man for ni bo say ye beboa say obedi MP a ye beboa ma sa ne mani nyina ye dey akoso na at least youth no ma ko school kakra na e so mo ko mo ni ma gbogbo e bedu ba bi no ye tumi dey say si e bo say upper west akim ye boost say the number of security services and say organizations be heading nkofo ya lobby ama nkofo akoshimu so any constituency asin enti minia ibisa ne ana enye asempoti bia e kan ne mo maye omanfo no ankasa gidi omunya wo adumu ene ono ankasa ne relationship wa be with the omanfo no a mo nim say enye ndada no ba be dada
Sadrak ma abramuna musa said one of the this upper was searching for a very high expectation for this 4-year reign of Adom
na minia o share from echi ebaya obeye candidate numpo na onye member of parliament
say no pitu
na minia enumpo no to me na ope otumi de ni bottom sika eye miama bi a minia na eka na enne aban sika samba be kan sika ho minia even though say onya 100% but minim nipa Frederick Obin Adom eye at least 99% there. I know say expectations are man for expected from him is going to get. Now I'm assuring the people of Upper West Akim say minu ano gidi ayenya woni mu yenko so nya sa gidi no e woni mu na obe deliver am Upper West Akim ay kra be hwe.
My name Majid Nuruddin, lecturer officer, research officer at NPP Upper West Akim na communicator Shadrack Baini. Ye din koma fa omo kunim di o medi Upper West Akim for 28 years, right? 28 years now. Parliamentary election after no metimi ewi ni bi ma me kona mi bisa Majid say onyi ni say mu nya member of parliament from your party in this constituency ti mu nya bi da eti na ma mu hu ni say obetimi ya lobby obetimi di bibia ba security services ye do bi beko number ko du ho wie na wo dey excuse beba
minia enya go dem abidio to me no say na wa wo kan 28 years near you to and yan ji say the video grow na efi en sasa keke
Okay.
You be soon 4 years. You see, on month for so you 4 years. But it's only say per se you GC.
Who you know prepare for more?
Yes, it's only say per se GC forever. I tell you, a Juma Ibabe your constituency. It be see that. And even send a million shall like come. During this campaign in the crown, she project akoso. She project akoso. And I don't know fact no and yes bia I don't know about the pen no obenya no ho anaso the be pedin keke. Ebi ye the best one man for no. Ye the best one man for no. See ye pray say lights by the 4-year rain na don't be obe rain the 4-year rain. Na light a community bia wa pa West Akima. Projects akese pese ye wa at least say nya factory back wa Astrotef ya kati so dada ye ba be ye Astrotef and what promise say next year gala na ye bon ye ne league
Okay.
ne ya ma youth no so no ye energize youth no constituency ama dachi omuso omo pese football as omo carry am ye push omo akoso iti ye nya go ne wa be nua
Okay.
na omanfo ni nyina fo mani hwe djuma ba be constituency
My member Shabra Konem say, me who constituency be na a party be dia, not another party that take over. Nothing no to me pray anaba. They come members of the party,
okay,
the frontliners no more pray to me. Me na me say, me na say MP need me say. I hanom e bi ashasi another be na mo be sham di na so.
Yeah, Upper West Akim MPP Yantisa.
Someone need that. Nti we dey we come say.
Yendi leader, but see I say yendi. Na ohwe subai fiti opposition de aba be mu. Obi anim se na ye nyina yeti.
Okay.
Minua se enne enyame na ye minua Majid na wa me hu se minua na e wo ho. Se ye Majid na
What you say, sir?
Why not?
Oh, okay.
Sani yedi ananti so many years.
Yes, one seat.
Sani yedi ananti so me hu difference bi a ebe wo ina say adomo no so ye nipa. Oni nipa na ye adwuma no, oni nipa na ananti. Nti oni nsu obi asu ne ba. Nti se me nuanom MPP ye nkrofo bi a ye dodo ye ho. Enye MPP mu na power sharing e ba be cost.
Okay.
Nti menua saa ade no eni yem party ni na menua ne ka bibi kakra na pertaining to Astrotef project na okan kama ye
JPC
ye kate so de no ye te say people Upper West Akim edwin say atrona
election mun ni
election
I make am dream sir.
Yes, say election
say election
by God so being good company award the contract ni to Black Ghana Limited contractor ni dey edida nkwa.
Okay.
So betumi afechi na why research kakra. Say ye intro na ye twa ye the company ni din atuja. Ye send the contractor no handle project no so din atuja. Nti contractor won award dey ama na enche as quickly as possible na minim say menu na item. Ansana ebi anyame bebo ebi kra likely say the galaxy here next year ba bebo ye bebo majority e was straight there no so. Menu na mba embedi agro.
Okay.
That's
Majid, my member of you, name is say more winning. More Jimmy. Me and Casa de be 3 days in Cook. But my yanity is a more Jimmy pan. Some we know next 4 years, more person will be votes across the sense. Other party members no make us NDC for and they omelusuno. When you are more Jim the brainy idea, you know, don't you think, say, I better drive more on my way from, you know, more objective way and person maybe
say NDC for no somebody almost political party in way and in conformity with NDC say na we dig kan be NDC for no be edge adom atumu among be boy ma ye win city no san conformity ni na ye recognize you
okay
na ye down masin so and nia ye butai kese sa 4 years here dey say you bet 10 year Upper West Akim to blue. See, I know, because Mekasa still agree. Agree because NDC we need presidency. It's a say 10-2 million to blue. And then they have good and we are going to work towards that. It's OBI involved. And yet, say MPP, NDC assembly. We NDC near Okam, we MPP near Okam. Because say NDC for 2000 to Mahama. my difference no eba between Nana and Muhammad there. Then signed this for 2,000 and I said more. I see a get Juma more a so many moment in Abekayam. And then I put again a day in 4 years.
Omaphobia any more Eddie command Sunday about to Shadrach. Mammy to an amount. Actually, I said former MP. And I said, see, and so I don't. Outgone, okay. Anyway, how much time say, or you'll be on tear this one? What's it, Accra? On time, it's me no question, Mr. Say, more money I don't know. I don't Accra no better than Eddie and Pino. Question when Peso ya no money, others for 80
on Accra and the MP. But you know, I say MP no, Nejuma do na Mbra Shebejum and Mbra Shebejum no wako anopa no apon enyume. Mbra Shebejum e Accra. So enya de obetina Accra, but weekend yeah, they be a unco parliament. As a member of parliament, quickly I say ko constituency na ko ye ejuma. Na minim say minuano enya Accra no ba betina de akoye na ejuma. But say obetina constituency ya de bia akọ Accra
enye de bia
aba sure MPs mostly Mondays wo fie right so at least Mondays ya better hu constituency ya enya de oba betina Accra na we ja constituency na to because ye share during those days in Pope to me na only en net constituency ya enye
to me the other be one
enye time opportunity o twa those days in Pope only name our frontline politics so enye net ya power sakimo especially adesu ya so name peso aso a obi enim adom is not person be o kasi 2 minutes na oba constituency offering constituency no ofi am what it no ando ko school je ha no oba betina ADMP no on ko tina kra ADMP no
okay mama ko majido Sandra kaka bibiro se on tina Accra permanently obeta ba constituency se sei emebu no ehwa adom pa esan se omo ye nkrofo bi a bo hye na ban no na do na ekoma emebu no sa bo hye ye ba nyina no mo ye very sure say within a range of 4 years no mo betimi ediso date me can celebration no one but mama come agido with the elections na no na our electoral officer there NDP mo lose a number of seats to NDC though mo so mo je seat be for NDC but you share all the NFM mo dey na mo lose a number of seats as an electoral officer of a constituency that actually over person be called regional and a national no how do you see this
Akabekanya Shadrach Kane o ze we a politician na wan kasa wonni nsanu adwuma obebre
woni wadwuma
wo ya na wo de wani tu aban sika so nko aban sika he say AP's common fund just 4.something% of the 4.5% of the 100% then ha na betumi dey it wan kasa no ese say wan kasa no ye obi a wo ye wo wadwuma wo ya e ma wo sika betumi dey support constituency eti sega me nua Shadrach Kane na djuma adom so na djuma nyina wa Accra ambrahye bedwam so wa Accra eti obeye na djuma akombrahye bedwam e make sure say obenya ono ankasa ni sika o de be support ni aban de be ma no de aboa constituency no and me assure mo say obeye very visible constituency aso omafo bi hu no ama omukuma ayede atomu yem so manfo hu no kra me kabako ye ba be ye billboard bia ye de da sisi ya sa billboard ye try say ye di number bi beto so a anytime bia o pese oni MP kasa ana say MP ni personal assistant
afina o kasem no
yes
na kasa ni te bi MP kasa de ndi eni ekofo be frɛ pa
yes so oni o pese oni ne kasa enye say directly no o pese oni onu kasa ni personal assistant so asem bia o pese e koni nchene na so beti bibi bia se o pese oyema obia na so be den e beti eni humbu ayen so e be make sure say humbu ayen so be den e beba eti sanya mani nyina wo ho a ye di gu akwanu ne say ye mbedi agro e be ye adwuma ama seat ni retain seat na make sure say ya dani constituency ni to an MPP constituency a party ni hu ba be ya kono ama ye di seat na ye den akoye nim and ye koye nim no question na obisa me no about emebu no ya show mebu no say omonko makomanto adom na waba ono so yebebu ti se omo a and na bi so ade hu nyina ne se obepagya constituency no na dachi yebu din a ono so yabo ni din se ono asimesi anase Frederick Obiadom enam no so na project we ba ha mebu na eden eye bi ye enam no so na obebu we o hya ha enam no so na abranti o hya ha eno ni buta esi enim anase esi MP enim oba beye e was 4 years ye dey na very sure say ye be ye ne sisi yetumi bia na by the time of 4 years in beso ye betumi di ensesi ebu akase ya ye adwuma.
See the work of Adom as a parliamentarian in relation to that of the president. Do you think say niemu susu ni na betumi abemsa
yedi ni ayaka na yakase Adom abaso obeye adwuma and oye ne nsa no adwuma asana o ba game ni na Miniane kasa no kasa Adom is not coming to only depend on sika ebefi aban mu abeka nensa bia ye adwuma obeye ode ne sa no sika kakra so eka nensa so beka na menua se owo mrahye bedwemu na otwe bibi na mbaye na ebia ni business bi abomu ama na menua unji ndi se
it's your alternative.
Yes ena menua ne ka alternative ne ewo ho senka oko depending solely on abina and yebeka say oba befa things difficult but meaning is not coming to depend solely on abina or the business that attach abina there no ye from into Juma or Upper West came meaning
Sabak answer na be chia no mama fa to when say celebration mu na mo de nyame asene ade the Church of Pentecost Upper West Achimha ade so Central, your extreme praise program here about 18th of this month.
Akoya, Ubia, the no share agroni. Yen your bentin yard one few Ubia in a unity, a general party after primaries be we see elections. Yet that Ubia asset. Now Virgin TV, ne other media houses are coming in. I that Ubia asset. Okay, because say, Name.
Amen. It's NPP our Upper West Achim constituency, Eastern region. Or not every kind. So I bet you name Mopa Ami and your conform couldn't be by any the way forward. And I think so no Shadrach Biny or no so a communicator at the ma NPP our Upper West Achim constituency 47 286939 0546 DJ Wiseman Mabna Adubia Anafi 1 hour Kenya Deka. That's what I editing no ehun ya frame pa Kwesi Dimanche nyame adom a wo na ye besen hia e wo ago Ghana edwumedi so nyame ka ho
Yanara Sassini Airport in my Mojana Nanum Shegu Nadu ho my Edumene was so say a pay piatwa so Nindian twassum kutu craninia Pessamin coming out Eddie ain't bremo the mamaya sassy hold or what to say Oh my no Oh my no Yes and I hose Oh my full private jet Oh my no
Here we go. Okay, this is my motherland, Lady Ghana tiny. Anything I go talk, we make a time. Bo, wapu waniya hey, boni dane fe hey. Many me fende hi kati, many won't pay. Male bahi ke yi fende baje minke bo. Boye loko ninja la wapwe mi ke klobo. I promise on my own I'm both tire near me shona. Ling off mina sana, liboko na no shona.
Yawaena, Jumanchi Afiko mai, Kowan Kabila Capito. Zahira kai banda bambanci mu daina zalunci ubangijin Allah wai ma zumunci ya fi komai annan Muhammad wai ma zumunci ya fi komai iyayenmu wai ma zumunci ya fi komai
See, this is not a peace song, it's a love song. Peace and Ghana getting married, keep the love strong. See, a peace we cannot risk. War at home is like cardiac arrest, cause home is where the heart is. Let the trumpets sound victory. The battle that we won is a battle for a peace. We promise on an honor that we'll never fight again, cause Ghana is a happy place, the joy we should defend.
Get em, what's up, motherland? I done feel like Obidi and Afia. I'm in love with you now. Tamajiba majihada mabiatao wasanya wila doji la fufam gaka chale how. From the big six, you still to fix things. Mawa hamakafu washika will reaches.
If you don't want make it be, nobody for fight we they need one a piece. Hey, income boom. Hey, easy with it be we to protect the nation, Mother God and anyone I save it. Oh yeah.
About the peace, hey ba. About our summer Kurjan. About the hey, I wanna know. Now summer hey ba. Mafuma wabo susa, waka some chon one six, and many bay you some killing you if you are. Wish as if you won't pay for a month who are when you did your cocoto. A lady be okay, palace, a lady more okay, ballet, a lepizuko okay, ballet. I'm out with you him. It's all about a peace. Hey, Baloba.
Phones in a doom, stores ya to doom, police say you foom, and we say soon. Tupa ye papa, depending on how, Mwashakume muma, Memina Danima.